5D, huh?
A boat is traveling in a flowing river. Shows the velocity vectors of the boat and for the river. The velocity of the boat is still the velocity of the boat is in still water is 14 meter per second to the east. The velocity of the water is 8 meter per second from 90° north of east.
90°.
60°, sorry sir. Draw an arrow to show the direction of the resultant velocity of the boat. Determine the magnitude of the resultant velocity of boat. These are camera korbo.
Okay, so first they told us to find the you see on figure 5.1 draw an arrow to show the direction of the resultant velocity of the boat, right? So look here, we have here the boat velocity 14 meter per second towards east.
Yes, sir.
And the water velocity 8 meter per second is given at 60°. Is 60° north of east.
Yes, sir.
So we have here the angle. We have here the magnitude of the boat velocity 14 and water velocity 8. So we can show it here, right? This boat velocity we can show it here 14. So if it is 8,
what is it?
Approximately water velocity is 8, right?
Yes, sir. From 60° north of east.
Water velocity is 8 meter per second. So boat velocity 14 should be bigger, right? Bigger than 8.
Yeah.
And how much bigger? How much bigger? Almost double, but less than double, little bit less than double. So the one I drew here, you also draw like that. Huh? If you are not drawing in your copy, you will forget everything.
স্যার এইটা ড্র না করে স্যার এই তিনটা ডায়াগ্রাম কি আমরা রাখতে পারি? আমি একটু প্রিন্ট করে জিনিসটা কইরা তারপরে লিখি।
Yeah, you draw it now. Take the notes at least. Take the notes at least.
না তো ওইটার কথাই বলতেছি, আমরা অন্যদিকে আগে যে আমরা এই নোটসটা আমি ওই নেক্সট ক্লাসের প্রথম 10 মিনিটে আমরা সেরা ফেলবো না? How about that?
You want to do it later? You have also the
আমি এটা স্যার ডাইরেক্ট ওয়ার্কশিটে তুলতে চাই। নেক্সট ক্লাসের আগে আমি এই ওয়ার্কশিট প্রিন্ট করে যা যা খাতায় লিখি সব তুলে ফেলবো না।
Listen Farhan, you have the recording also.
Oh.
You have the recording also, so don't worry about that. Now you take as much as possible. Just it will take only draw 2 lines. That's it. This way. One is
diagram draw করব যে যেটা আছে।
Yeah. This one only draw this one.
মানে কোনটা, বামেরটা না ডানেরটা?
Right side one. I am drawing. You don't see.
আমি স্যার আমার ওয়ার্কশিটের দিকে ফোকাস করতেছিলাম, সরি আমি আপনারটা দিকে তাকাই।
You also see how I am drawing. Otherwise, how can you take? My one you see. Look, you learned about the triangle rule.
Yes, sir.
Triangle rule. What is the triangle rule? Can you check from the notes?
So, যেদিকে অ্যাঙ্গেল দাও ওইদিকেই হবে ডাইরেকশন।
Yeah. Check from your notes. There is a very nice definition of triangle rule. And you can get it from here. Match this diagram with the triangle.
Two vectors are represented by two sides of a triangle in the same direction, then the third side in the opposite direction represents the resultant of mole vectors.
So look here, we have two vectors, water velocity and the board velocity working in the same direction, right? Of the triangle.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Two
sir.
sides, we are getting two sides. Then the third side, if we complete, it will be triangle, isn't it? This
Yes,
one.
sir.
So if it is third side, it is in opposite direction. Look,
Yeah.
opposite direction, it is the resultant. Resultant we express with R, right?
Yes, sir.
So on figure 5.1, they told us to draw arrow to show the direction of the resultant velocity of the boat. We got that, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Here now we are, when I'm explaining, I'm taking time. I'm giving pause, then I'm explaining to you, then it's taking time, long time. But when you will do it by your own, it will not that time it will take, right? You
Yes, sir.
can do
Also,
it very
that's true.
fast. You can do it very fast. Now this one is done, right? On figure 5.1, draw an arrow to show the direction of the resultant velocity of the boat. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Now you will get the length of this. What is the length of this resultant? You will get it.
It length is
Okay,
better correction.
and now use your ruler. Farhan, use your
Sir,
ruler.
ruler use करे तो बेरा में ना है.
Your protector and ruler you should use now. The way I'm showing you. This one is done, right? This diagram is done, Farhan.
Yeah, the diagram is done.
Yeah, this diagram, if it is done, then take your ruler and protector, both. Then what I am saying, do it.
Sir, first of all, ruler तो नहीं protector को just.
I told you to buy one ruler.
Yes, sir. Protector I found.
Yeah, you found the protector, then use your, uh, you don't have the ruler, then use your pen,
Yes,
or
sir.
any other things you use to get a line like this.
স্যার আমাদের এই যে আর দুইটা যে আছে ওই দুইটার জন্য কি রুলার আর প্রোটেক্টর দরকার?
Yes, we need ruler and protector. You should have ruler, and ruler is always needed.
Okay.
Not only for this topic, for your life ruler is needed, right?
অবশ্যই স্যার।
Yeah, so you should have it always beside you. So here I'm drawing. Look, this one is, you just draw approximately,
জি স্যার।
draw approximately, and this one is 7 centimeter. With your ruler, when you draw, this one you will label as 7
60 ডিগ্রি।
centimeter. This one will label as 7 centimeter, okay?
7 সেন্টিমিটার জি স্যার।
And this one you label as 4 centimeter.
Okay.
And your scaling is 1 centimeter equals 2 meter per second. Write it there,
Okay. জি স্যার।
2 meter per second. So this one is done, right? 1 centimeter
Yes, sir.
equals 2 meter per second. Now
জি স্যার।
this one is working in this direction and this one is working in the right, okay? So you complete this diagram. You complete this diagram. it is giving you the resultant. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you will find how many centimeter is this resultant. You will find how many centimeter is this resultant with your ruler.
Sir, can we keep it for next class, please?
Write it, write it.
No,
I'm
ওইটা লিখে
helping
রাখছি
you.
স্যার, সবই লিখছি আপনি যা যা বলছেন।
You have the recording. Okay, so in your next class you will do something more. Don't
ও,
worry. Now now if you
জি,
calculate with your ruler, you will get
হুম,
it. I'm writing, you also check. When you will get printed, you check that
yes
it
sir,
will come 6.1 centimeter.
okay,
This is 60 degree. Okay, with your protector
yes sir,
you make the angle between 4 centimeter and this 7 centimeter, you make the angle 60 centimeter. So 6.1 centimeter, what will be the value in meter per second? Your 1 centimeter is 2 meter per second, right?
yes sir.
So 6.1 centimeter
Then
will be how
if
much?
6 centimeter will be uh,
You calculate with your calculator.
12,
Yeah, 6.1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is 2 meter per second. Then 6.1 centimeter,
6
how much?
centimeter is 12,
Then point
then
one,
the
right?
point 1 আছে না স্যার?
Yeah,
12.1, 12.1,
12.1 or 12.2. Two ones are two, right?
yes sir,
You don't have calculator beside you,
yes sir I have,
so multiply 6.1 multiplied by 2.
12.2 sir,
Yeah, 12.2 meter per second. Eh?
yes sir. তাহলে 5D শেষ স্যার, next is 7,
Now we will do 7. Okay, 7C
yes sir,
will do. You exactly write what I'm writing. Okay,
yes sir I wrote
then
what you wrote,
yeah, this way you will do. Then no problem. And recording is
okay.
there also, so don't worry. Yeah. C, read C. Yeah.
9C or 7C?
7. Yeah, we are doing now. 7 is C. 9 is E. Okay, continue please.
An object B is in a horizontal surface. Two forces act on B in the horizontal plane. A vector diagram for these three forces is shown to scale in figure 7.1.
Yeah, 7.1 figure. Okay, then continue.
Yes, sir. A force 7.5 Newton towards north and a force 2.5 Newton from 30 degree north of east act on B. The mass of B is 750 gram.
Yes, continue.
On figure 7.1, draw an arrow to show the approximate direction of the resultant of these two forces.
So again, we have to show the direction, right?
Yes.
This diagram is little bit different than the previous one.
Mm-hmm.
There we got the arrows in the same direction, but you see here the arrows are going in opposite direction, right?
Yes, sir.
So the angle is shown here. We have to use that angle to find the angle exactly between these two forces. For this, what you have to do, you have to extend these two vectors. Like this vector, we will extend this side,
Okay.
and this vector we will extend this side, so that we
Draw
can,
করবো, sir?
yeah, you You draw the way it was before and extend afterwards. And when I'm extending, I'm maintaining the length also. Look, it is 2.5, right?
Yes, sir.
This one is 2.5 and this one is 7.5. So this one, the upper one should be 3 times bigger than the lower one, okay? And the direction you see is here and this way here. Now the angle between them. What is the angle between them? Check.
X seconds, sir. 1 second. Sir.
Yeah, between them, we have to find the angle. We have this angle between them, right?
Yes, sir.
The whole angle. And the 30 you said for only this part. You see, I drew here dotted lines. That dotted lines, and between this vector, the lower one, the angle is 30 degree because it is opposite angle, right?
Yes, sir.
And we have also 90 degree plus.
Okay.
With this 30 we have also 90 degree plus. So altogether we have how much? 122, 120 degree,
22.
120 degree, 30 plus 90.
Yes, sir.
Now the work is done. You
Okay.
see, we have the two forces. Now we can find the parallelogram rule here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the forces are working in a way we can complete the parallelogram, and the diagonal of the parallelogram is showing you the resultant, isn't it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So you complete it, complete this diagram. Okay,
Okay.
look here, the diagonal is coming here. So on figure 7.1, they told you to show the direction of resultant. We got it R, right? Resultant
Yes,
is
sir.
R. Now we have to find the magnitude of the resultant. Like before, you will use ruler to find it. Huh? For example,
Yes, sir.
your this length is 6 centimeter, for example. Huh? 6 centimeter.
Hmm.
And if it is 6 centimeter, this one should be 2 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
And our scaling is 1 centimeter equals how much? If your
2 meter per second.
if your 6 centimeter is 7.5 Newton, then 1 centimeter is how much? 1.25. Is it?
স্যার আমি ডায়াগ্রামটা আরেকবার ড্র করি স্যার আমার ডায়াগ্রামটা একটু ডিফারেন্ট শেপে আসছে
Yeah, draw it, no problem.